information about the investment club I'm putting together. A lot of members have been asking me to do this trade quite a bit, and just kind of give you a quick heads up of what the trade is about. This is in the futures market on the corn futures and the soybeans. And what you're kind of seeing here is it's called a box trade. You're going with the trend, so you're literally buying at the high or you're selling at the low. And please don't try this, what you're seeing on your own. There's a lot of little details, not a lot, but some minor things about the trade that if you don't play it just right, it'll eat you alive. And the futures market, you don't want an entire train load of corn showing up at your door. Not that it really would, but every futures contract you're buying, if I remember correctly, is roughly equivalent to one rail car worth of corn or beans. So that's an awful lot of food to deal with. But just to kind of show you what's going on, before the 9 o'clock time frame, you're drawing a box between the highs and the lows, and we're really trying to capitalize on this move that's coming up. Take a look at this. And you can see how it just goes right up through a couple of good targets, and this is obviously a great example of it. And throughout the rest of the day, hits a second target, and we'll see what it does. And hitting towards the third target. And interesting enough, this stuff these futures markets and the commodities, the corn and soybeans especially, just really take off. And this one hit the third target as well. The risk is a little bit high, but the reward is equally high. So it's definitely in balance. And then also it works in the soybeans. This is an example of it as well. These are both from last week, by the way. You can see the box was created. Whoa, sorry about that. I know that was really ugly to watch. Okay, we're going to take a look at the example on the soybeans. It does the same exact thing. The box is created before the 9 o'clock time frame, high to low, and capitalizing on that move. You can see this is the opening bell on the 28th, which is, I can't remember, Tuesday, Wednesday. And as it went through the day, and right about, you'll see it right about there, it went through not only our entry price, hit first and second target, and then ultimately right about the end of the day it hit third target. There you go. And this is the kind of this just happens so frequently, and you can see the course of the whole day. It's just an amazingly profitable trade. It has a high probability, and here's the trade log over the past 93 trades. They're blocked into groups of 25. That's a good statistical point to use to see if you got a good strategy going. And you can kind of see that over the lifespan of these 93 trades, the profit factor is 1.47. With using what the investment club would have, about $75,000 in investment capital. And since the May time frame, that trading capital would have grown by about 14,000 or 20% in that short time frame. And we're only risking 2% at a time to determine our position size. So doing the math, you can see it's only about $1,400–1,500 at risk at any one time on any one trade. So with a $75,000 capital, it's not like we're betting the farm on it. It's a very repeatable trade. And one thing I like to note is that look at the profitability in each group of 25. 75% of the time it's profitable. This group is 71%. And this one wasn't so good, but it was still a profitable group. And then so far in this group, so the numbers, the point I'm trying to make is that they're consistent. They're really tracking nicely. You can see even the average income and the average expense is not too bad. And the other thing I like about this is it is a day trade, but you'll notice the commissions are very, very insignificant as far as what it dings the account for. So it's not like we're in and out of trades and doing 50 to 100 trades in a day just to make $1,000. Very, very useful and profitable trade. And just a couple of the details on it. I'll go ahead and bring this up here while I'm talking about it. The investment club will have no more than 15 members with a minimum of 10. The minimum investment will be $5,000, and there will be a management fee for me to take care of all the accounting that I got to go with it and managing the trade. There will be a member. You have to be a member of the website because that's what we'll be holding. It'll be a private chat going on in the forum between us members, so we can discuss what's going on with the trade, maybe decisions we're going to make. And then you also have to have gone through my mentorship, or clearly can demonstrate exceptional, strong understanding of support, resistance, advanced order types, stop losses, and how to literally manage a trade throughout the day, because we're going to take turns managing the trade. I don't have the time to manage it every single day, 5 days a week, because you got to put it on at 9 o'clock and you have to take it off just a little bit after 12 o'clock. I can certainly take them off pretty easily from my phone, almost 95% of the time, but it's just good because we have to all manage this trade for it to be an investment club. And so that's kind of what the structure is going to be. The attorneys are drawing it up now, and if you might be interested in this, in joining this investment club, let me know with either a private message or an email, and we'll be talking soon. And I'll keep you posted how the attorneys are going and how things are kind of progressing right along. Other than that, we'll see you on the website.